Hello everyone, my name is Anastasia and I introduce you Mersin Real Estate Agency, and today we are in a really amazing, really nice neighborhood, and today I'll show you not an apartment but a villa. Oh guys, I'm so impressed. I'm so glad to show you villas because actually a lot of people asking about not an apartment but villas. We want to have a house, we want to have our own plot of land, and today I will show it to you. I'll give you this really nice and really cheap offer. So let's get started guys. We'll start from the outside today. So here we go. Here is the main entrance on the villa. Really nice, beautiful stairs, and see, this will be a part of your land, a plot of land, what you will have here. The main plus of this villas for me is actually really nice, really beautiful lemon tree. Just look how cute it is. See, it's just amazing. Oh, I'm in love with citrus guys, and as I said, Mersin is one of the most important region from the export of this beautiful citrus. 80% from the whole Turkey is from Mersin. So yeah, and here we'll have really nice, really amazing view, mountains view. Here is your neighborhood, and yeah, this villa is kinda upstairs. So yeah, this is really nice. And also I want to show you one really nice, really cute view from your plot of land. So please follow me, just a little bit extreme for me, all for you guys, all for you. So here we have it. Here we have really nice, beautiful, old ages of years trees. Oh my god, this is amazing. A pine, this is a pine, right? Please text me if it's not. I'm not good at this. So here we have it. Just imagine how you'll spend your time here, your summer holidays or winter holidays, because this area is not so far away from the ski resort. And if you don't know about ski resort, please watch my last video. Let's go for a walk a little bit outside. This I'll show you later what we have inside. This is really amazing. 3 floors, 4 rooms, really nice. Here you have also one of the entrance of this villa. Here you have your small barbecue area. It's really nice when you have it. Just look how big this plot of land is. Really nice. Just imagine here you will have your own fruits, vegetables, because the climate and the land is really generous in this region. Really soft climate, really generous land. It's really amazing, and it's surprisingly, but here everything is growing up so easily without any, pain and suffers. If you're a gardener, you will be the best here because, as I said, land is really generous. Here we have another lemon trees, and I'll show you the balcony a little bit later. Meanwhile, you can see here we have your own little open space gym. Also in this neighborhood you will have your own swimming pool, and a little bit downstairs you will have your own basketball court. In this area are 54 houses, villas in this area. All neighbors are really nice and really cute. We also met a couple of them, and they were like really surprised, but they actually waiting for you guys because they said we want to learn English. So you will have a job here guys, don't be afraid. So here we have the main road through this neighborhood, through this little village, and this village of course is a part of region Mersin, 20 kilometers to the sea. It's around 20-25 minutes, depends on are you scared of driving through the mountains or not. So here we are going inside in the entrance. You will have your own small wardrobe. And this is, as I said, this is a big kitchen with a salon. So you will have all of this furniture. It's not new, but it's good. Really nice quality, really nice stuff. You can change it if you want, or if it's okay for you, you can just stay with this if it's okay for you. But actually it's really nice. A little bit, this villa is a little bit old. Maybe reconstruction will need it, but if it's only for summer holidays, so I don't see the problem actually here. Let's go on the first terrace balcony. What we have here, just look how big it is. Here you have your own barbecue area. Another, as I said, here you have the coven, the oldest coven. All of this is natural stones, really nice, really strong. We're still a little bit afraid of earthquakes, but we're trying to do our best. Here you may see another balcony, another terrace with the chairs and everything. So you will have at least two terraces, and the third one will be here. Just take a moment, guys, take a breath. I will go there and you will see everything. For today we have temperature is about 18 degrees of Celsius. So it's the spring just started and it's 28th of February. We're going we were downstairs, now we're going upstairs on these really cute stairs. So as you may see, really nice natural stone, really strong, really nice. So here we have one of the master's bedroom. Look how big it is. And you will have your really nice light area here, because here you may see it's a sunny side. Here you have your own really nice windows, and yeah, really big, really nice. You may rechange all the furniture if you want something more modern. It's okay, it's up to you. Here we have bedroom, like nothing special, usual, quite good, high quality bedrooms. We are going to the kitchens. I guess it was children's or kitchen. I guess it was children's room. Not so big as it should be, but anyway, it's a villas and you will have your own apartment everywhere. So here we have guest room, also cute, nice. Maybe it's not so light, but maybe it's good, because when it's like plus 37 degrees, you should have at least one room in your apartment, which is the coldest one. And we are going on the main place of this, on the secret place, on the luxurious place of this villa. Oh, look at this, what we have here. We have here another room. Oh my God, such a big family can live here. Yeah, this is really nice. Look at this, small, cute, but you will have, in the end, you will have 4 rooms, one big kitchen with the salon, 1, 2, 3 huge terraces, balconies. Yeah, here we go. This is really nice. Okay, this villa has so many secrets. We have to go there, guys. We have to go. Look at the view. Just take a moment and enjoy this wonderful, amazing view what we have here. This is so good. This is amazing. Look how big it is. It's like 2 rooms in this balcony. Here you have your oven, another kitchen, maybe a freezer with the cold wine or lemonade, homemade lemonade. Yeah, this is amazing how big it is. It's just unbelievable. Yeah, because from the outside, actually, I thought that from outside this villa looks a little bit small, but you know, cozy and really nice, suitable for permanent residence, for you know, for living here. But it's amazing how big it is. It's amazing how big it is, guys. It's just really nice. And I want to show you something, and I'm not sure that we will find it here. Okay, I'll ask the landlord where is the third balcony. So in the end you will have 4 rooms, 2 bedrooms, 3 huge terraces, balconies, and that is impressive. And that's impressive, really impressive. I'm in love with this villa, guys. Actually, if I'll one day I'll have a big family, I'd like to have a home like this in mountains for 4 or 5 months in a year. I'd like to spend here, you know, making yoga, making fresh fruits, fresh juices by myself, homemade lemonade, barbecues and everything like this. So this is amazing. I'd like to live here actually. And what about you? Do you like it or not? Please comments down below. So today we are in one of my favorite places. Today we have peaches trees, and as I said in my videos, it just starts blooming. It starts blooming, and you cannot imagine, guys, how beautiful it is. It's like a little piece of Japan, but in Turkey. And here we are in the really nice plants. Just look at this. Beautiful, and it's a huge land garden, huge amazing garden with letuk as well, but also with a beautiful peaches trees. Here you can see a lot of bees. They're working, they're doing the jobs. So this is amazing how beautiful it is. And just few weeks later it will be on every corner of the Turkey, of the Mersin, especially because of the really nice climate. And for today, that's it. That's all I want to show you, and I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. So please, thank you for the video. Of course, first of all, thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please like and subscribe. And just remember, guys, we don't help you to buy a house, we help you to buy a dream. And see you in the next videos.